Fellow traders and meme enthusiasts, today let's dive into the wild and turbulent world of Wall Street bets, where fortunes are made and lost in the blink of an eye. We're going to take a closer look at the 5 biggest losses in the glorious history of Reddit's Wall Street Bets community. Hold on to your seats because things are about to get wild. Now let me make one thing clear. These losses are in no way a reflection of sound financial advice. They're more like cautionary tales of what can happen when you let the excitement and frenzy of Wall Street bets, cocaine, and hookers take over your better judgment. So buckle up, my friends, and let's jump right in. Number 5 on our list is the infamous GameStop saga. GameStop, the stock that took the world by storm. In early 2021, we witnessed a remarkable short squeeze orchestrated by the Wall Street Bets army, causing hedge funds to lose billions. But in the midst of the frenzy, there were plenty of retail traders who jumped in late, buying at the peak and watching in horror as the stock plummeted back down to earth. Those traders learned a valuable lesson about the importance of timing and not getting caught up in the hype. Coming in at number 4, Tesla, led by Elon Musk, has experienced significant growth in the electric vehicle industry, attracting both long-term investors and speculative traders. In the first half of 2020, some Wall Street Bets traders decided to invest in Tesla options, which are derivative contracts that allow traders to buy or sell an underlying asset at a predetermined price within a specific time frame. However, these options come with substantial risks. As Tesla's stock price continued its wild swings, the options contracts purchased with high hopes began to lose value rapidly. Traders faced a double-edged sword. If the stock continued its ascent, they could make massive profits, or if it took an unexpected turn, their options could expire worthless, leaving them with significant losses. Unfortunately, for many traders, the latter scenario occurred as Tesla's stock experienced sharp fluctuations and some options contracts expired without reaching their strike prices. The Tesla options trade serves as a reminder of the importance of risk management and understanding the intricacies of derivative trading. Options can be powerful tools when used prudently, but they can also lead to significant losses if not approached with caution. Next up, at number 3, we have the ill-fated bet on Hertz. When Hertz filed for bankruptcy, many Wall Street Bets traders saw an opportunity. They believed the stock would bounce back, and they piled in, hoping to ride the wave to riches. Sadly, the bankruptcy court had other plans, and the stock became virtually worthless. These traders learned the hard way that bankrupt companies don't always magically recover, and sometimes it's best to stay away from the falling knives. Now let's talk about number 2 on our list, the disastrous short squeeze attempt on AMC. In mid-2020, inspired by the GameStop saga, many Wall Street Bets traders tried to replicate the success with AMC Entertainment. They believed they could squeeze the short sellers and send the stock soaring. But alas, the squeeze never materialized, and many traders found themselves trapped in a sinking ship. This loss serves as a reminder that not every stock can be GameStop, and it's important to assess the circumstances before jumping in headfirst. And finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, the number 1 biggest loss in the Wall Street Bets history, number 1 on our list, takes us to the infamous rise and fall of the cryptocurrency known as Dogecoin. The Dogecoin frenzy, a cryptocurrency created in 2013, gained significant attention during the first half of 2021 due to its popularity and the influence of social media. The Shiba Inu dog from the Doge meme became its logo, and it became synonymous with meme culture. In early 2021, the Wall Street Bets community, known for their affinity for meme stocks and alternative investments, took an interest in Dogecoin and promoted it as the next big thing. The price of Dogecoin skyrocketed, reaching unprecedented levels and generating substantial gains for those who had gotten in early. However, the Dogecoin frenzy was short-lived as the price experienced significant volatility, leaving many traders in a state of uncertainty. Some traders managed to sell at the right time and lock in profits, while others were caught in the aftermath of the rapid decline. The downfall of Dogecoin serves as a reminder of the speculative nature of cryptocurrencies and the risks associated with investing in such assets. Cryptocurrencies are known for their volatility, and their prices can be influenced by various factors, including market sentiment, media attention, and celebrity endorsements. The Dogecoin phenomenon also highlighted the power of collective action and the potential for market manipulation. When a large group of traders comes together with a common goal, they can have a significant impact on the price of an asset, creating both opportunities and risks for individual investors. In conclusion, the rise and fall of Dogecoin in 2021 will forever be remembered as a wild and unpredictable chapter in the history of Wall Street bets, serving as a cautionary tale about the dangers of speculative investing and the need for careful consideration when trading volatile assets. These traders learned firsthand the importance of diversification, risk management, and not putting all your eggs in one risky options basket. So, my fellow Wall Street bets enthusiasts, let these stories be a lesson to us all. Trading is a risky game, and it's important to approach it with caution and a well-thought-out strategy. Learn from the mistakes of others, manage your risks, and always do your research before making any investment decisions. Remember, the world of Wall Street bets is filled with excitement, memes, and the potential for tremendous gains. But it's also a place where fortunes can be lost in the blink of an eye. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and may your trades be filled with tendies and not tears. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the biggest losses in Wall Street bets history. Until next time, my friends, happy trading, and may the memes be ever in your favor.